함께 떠나 볼래?
The ending
볼래?
is a soft, informal suggestion or an inquiry into the listener's will, common among close friends or partners. It's not a command, but a gentle whisper asking, and the phrase haebolrae carries the nuance of a gentle, informal suggestion like, shall we watch something together?
먹어볼래? 마셔볼래? 들어볼래?
함께 떠나볼래?
함께 떠나 볼래?
너도 한번 해볼래?
너도 한번 해볼래?
Within this short Korean phrase lies a beautiful nuance of Korean culture. Let's break it down. Hanbon literally means one time, but it carries a softer implication casually, just for fun, without pressure. It's the Korean way of making an invitation feel light and non-committal. haebolrae combines the verb to do with to try or to see, creating the meaning of to try doing something or to give it a shot. There's an element of curiosity and experimentation built right into the verb.
너도 한번 해볼래?
너도 한번 해볼래? 자.
One of the shortest yet most versatile words in the Korean language. Just one syllable, one character, but ja packs an incredible range of meanings depending on context.
자, 시작해볼까?
Here, ja works like now, all right, or come on in English. It's a signal that something is about to begin, a verbal cue that shifts the energy of the moment.
자, 이거 먹어봐.
In this context, ja carries gentle encouragement. It's similar to saying here, go ahead, or come on, try this.
자, 다들 들어봐.
When you need to gather people's attention, ja serves as a conversational rallying cry like, listen up, or okay everyone.
자자자 진정해.
When repeated, ja becomes a soothing tool to calm someone down or de-escalate a situation. Think easy, easy, or calm down now, and means ruler or measuring stick, the tool you use in school to draw straight lines or measure lengths.
자, 자로 재자.
This creates wonderfully confusing sentences for Korean learners. The same sound appears multiple times in one sentence, each playing a completely different role. If you think carefully about the situation or context, it can be easy.
또 어디로 갈까?
또 어디로 갈까?
Fundamentally, do means again or once more, expressing repetition. Here, this carries the nuance of next, now, or what else. It suggests you've already done something and are now considering the next step. Within a flow of continuous actions, it opens up the next option. In English, it's closest to now, next, or what else.
또 어디로 갈까?
또 어디로 갈까?
Today, we studied lines from Park Bogum's promotional video for Korea. See you next time for another fun video. Please subscribe and like. Bye.